Thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews here at Guarantee RV. Today we're going to be looking at the 2020 Torque 371. If you have any questions or would like to take a look at this, please give me a call, 541-731-8583. Come on inside and we'll take a look. As you can see, the nice heavy-duty steps, these fold into the door. And as you come in, this is a pretty unique floor plan due to the amount of counter space. You can see there's a bench seat here with dining room here, tons of counter space in the kitchen, a nice big long couch, and a huge TV up here. And with this style kitchen, you get tons of storage. Then as you come over here, nice double fridge. And the nice thing about this one, the freezer's not split in the middle, so you can reach all the way across with more storage above. And as we step back into the garage, this model is unique also. You have a half bath back here. And the nice thing about this, as far as toys go, if you need extra space to store your toys, the door folds away, giving you extra space here. And then there's also a washer and dryer hookup. And then as you come to the back, this has the rear patio kit. And so you'll have the patio handrails, a drop-down screen, steps for the outside, and then up here you have another loft for more sleeping. And then go ahead and come on up front, we'll take a look at the bedroom. This model here has Jack and Jill entry doors. And so your restroom access, you have an actual tub, stand-in shower, sink, tons of storage, and a vanity with storage back here in the bathroom, which is surprisingly uncommon in these coaches. And as you come through, you'll notice a nice big king bed, storage across the top, tons of storage on the side over here, and then a nice big closet. And then over here you have another platform for storage and two big drawers. As you come around, you'll notice there's a nice amount of storage here, an outside entertainment with a mini fridge, a 2-burner grill, and a television for outside. This is for your rear access. And then back here will be your ramp. As you can see, nice and easy to operate. And then here's your fuel station. And then your fuel station controls with the gas gauge. Gray tank, water connection, fuel loading. And we'll come around through here. This is the driver's side access to your basement storage, where your auto leveling controls, outside shower, fresh water connection, easy access to your controls. Oh, and then here, nice big propane tanks on both sides. And then in your underbelly, you have the 5500 on-end generator. And again, thank you very much for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews here at Guarantee RV in Junction City. Again, this is the Torque 371 2020. If you have any questions or would like to come take a look at it, please ask for me or give me a call at 541-731-8583. Thank you.